y'all, welcome back to my channel. On behalf of Brit, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brittany, and if you're not new here, then y'all should already know that Shein has me in a chokehold. This has been an issue for years. A lot of my bedroom decor, like the glam pieces that y'all may see in my vlogs throughout my bedroom, all of those pieces come from Shein. Day in and day out, different videos, I'm always showing y'all different things I find on Shein, from handbags to decor to clothing to shoes to accessories. Also, I do event planning. A lot of my party supplies come off Shein. They have everything, but I've never done a braider haul and showed y'all some of the cool tools that I get off of Shein. I may have mentioned a few things like in random braider vlogs. This tool came from Shein, that tool came from Shein, but like a full video dedicated to all the things that I've gotten from Shein, I haven't done that before, so I decided today would be the perfect day to do it. Some things, because they're cheap, you have to replace them. So when it comes to my tools and supplies, a lot of those things I have to replace maybe like every other year. So I just did a big old shopping haul on Shein, and I brought a lot of tools for my business, and I decided that I would share these things with you all while they're fresh and new, straight out the pack. A lot of things that not just braiders but stylists can use as well. So if you're interested in knowing some of the things that you can get for the low off of this site to benefit your business, stay tuned. I have about 15 to 20 items, and I spent about $30. So let's jump straight into the haul. How it's shown on the site, it'll be right next to me so you can know what to look out for when you're shopping, as well as everything will be linked down below. Some of these things are repeats, things that I'm just replacing, and some of these things I purchased for the first time because as I was shopping for some of my things that I already had, I realized that new items were out there. A lot of dope stuff that you don't see on other sites, really cute items, very unique, and then also just affordable things that you may see in your local hair store, but they're dirt cheap on here. Now, the very first thing that I want to show y'all is this chair cover. This was a new find. I haven't purchased one of these before, so I'm hoping that it works out. I have a Salon chair, the chair that I sit in when I'm braiding. It has hair glue in it. It has burn marks from me sitting my flat iron on top of it. The chair just been through a lot of things, y'all. So I wanted a chair cover before throwing the chair away, just because it's not cute. It's uncomfortable to sit in because of all of the scratches and burns and stuff in the chair. Before doing away with it, I was looking for chair covers. They had a chair cover that I believe will fit the size of my chair. If it did, I'll put that on the screen because I want to go ahead and let y'all know if that worked out for me. But let's take it out of the packaging and see. This is how it looks. Right here is showing you the different pieces of furniture that you can put it on. And this is it right here. It comes in one big piece. It's supposed to be the back part of the chair. And then this is supposed to be the cushion part, the seat part. And it's supposed to be stretchy and like a universal piece that can fit any chair. So we're gonna try it out and see. Yeah, just a velvet, like plush, soft, something real comfortable and cozy to cover my seat now that I've messed it up. The second item is this black tissue that you lay your hair down. Like if I'm doing a sleek style like what I have in now, normally I'll put this tissue down on my hair and sit under the dryer, and I ran out of this stuff, so I purchased this. I believe it was $1, but you get a big spool of it. And so this is how it looks out of the pack. This is a repurchase, something I've gotten from them before. They have it in nude, white, and black, and I just prefer black. The third item I got is something that I just seen on Shein for the first time this year, and it is a spray bottle. I like having a variety of different spray bottles. I use them for different things, from skincare to salon care when it comes to cleaning up, disinfecting tools, using it on my clients' hair when I'm doing like wavy styles, crochet styles, styles where I'm adding synthetic, like feeding in synthetic curls. Sometimes I have to spray that hair down with leave-in conditioner or water so that the curls are all detangled. And I thought this was really cute. It's really tall, really big, much larger in person than I thought it would be on the site. But it's like a fuchsia and gold ombre. I thought this was so cute. So I have a new spray bottle to add to the collection. Shein, y'all, and I believe this was $2, but I'm not 100% sure. Next up, I have a pack of scrunchies. I have quite a few scrunchies, y'all. We're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna just roll them out back to back. This is the first container that I got. I got this one because I have this whole black aesthetic going on in my salon space, and I thought this would be cute even if I don't open them. If I could peel the sticker, I'll put it right on the shelf next to my other scrunchies and hair ties. But yeah, the next pack of scrunchies I got is a variety pack of pastels, pinks, purples, not pinks, greens, purples, blues, browns, just a bunch of different scrunchies. I don't want to open it because I don't want them to fall over all over the place, but I'll insert a picture on the screen so you guys can see what they look like on the site. But they come in a bunch of different colors. This is the particular pack that I chose. Coming up on St. Patty's Day next month and spring and all of that, I thought pastels would be super cute to have in my collection, so got these. These are my favorite type of scrunchies to use. These spiral scrunchies, I like them because they're rubber. You can clean them off. I run them under water, remove the hair from them, and I reuse them over and over again. They have a long lifespan. These things right here don't ever really get old, but I really love these. These caught my attention because they're like an iridescent color, but it's like a frosted matte color, matte finish on top. I believe 10 of these came in the pack in different sizes and shapes. Got a pack of purple scrunchies. Got a lavender and like a grape purple, just because purple is my favorite color, but it's it on scrunchie. Next up, we have sectioning tools. This is for like parting the hair, sectioning the hair, whether you're a stylist and you're sectioning it to color, to perm, or you're a braider and you're sectioning it for parting. If you're natural and it's a wash day and you want to detangle, sectioning for conditioning, whatever. I always need sectioning tools. Can't never have too many. I got a purple pack of the alligator claws. That's what these are called. And then I got a multicolored pack of these, which are my personal favorite. I want to say they're called banana clips, but I'm not 100% sure. You get pink, yellow, purple, and orange. And these were only a couple dollars, y'all. I'm always losing these or breaking them. So yeah. On another note, I got some different clamps. The butterfly trend, I'll put pictures on the screen of the style, but there's these different styles that have been trending for my younger clients. And they're always asking me for butterfly clips. And one time I told a client that I could do it, thinking that the next day I would be able to run into the hair store and just pick some up. And they were so hard to find. Just going from store to store and not being able to find them, the hairstyle didn't work out. But I said I would never be caught in that situation again. So since then I've been ordering a bunch of butterfly clips and I just keep them, even though the trend has kind of died down. And a lot of people aren't asking for it anymore. I always want to make sure I have things to where when somebody's asking me for something, I don't have to say no. Because when it comes to doing braided styles or styles in general for my clients, I try to provide all of the accessories. So I got a variety of different butterfly clips. This one is a gold pack. And then these are super cute. I'm a fan of holographic iridescent things, y'all. And I'll put them on the screen because I don't think y'all can really see. But yeah, I got 2 packs of each of these. These that I feel like will go with anything in the gold. I also got a bunch of beads. These are really cute. I thought they were really dope for vacation for my adult clients that are traveling, going out of the country. If they want a few of these spread out throughout their hair. I thought it was really cute. So I got 2 packs of those. I also got like a multicolored pack of beads. A full pack of these in the hair store would be $2.99. I believe these were $1, so I got a bunch of these. I also got this separate pack. This came in a separate pack. It was delivered like maybe 4 days before the big pack came in. And this is a variety pack of different clamps and beads. You get about 4 or 5 different styles of accessories for braids. You got long clamps, small clamps, thin clamps, wide clamps. I think this trend is fading out too. A lot of my clients haven't been coming asking for clamps on their braids, but I stay ready, so I ain't gotta get ready. This one right here is another restock or repurchase, something that I'm always purchasing from them. And I think I'm gonna gift this one to another supporter who reached out to me on Instagram and said that she's starting her braid business and I've really inspired her. I think I want to gift her with this. It comes with a brush, an edge brush, a precision comb, and a braid band watch. There's a precision comb right there. There's the braid band watch. And then on the back side, you have a hard brush and then an edge comb with the edge brush on the end. A 4-pack of items. They have this in pink and blue as well. The next thing that I got was this little barber top brush. Sometimes when I'm doing takedowns or I'm doing trims, like trimming in, you know, when you braid, sometimes for the braiders who are watching, sometimes you have those flyaways where sometimes the hair is just super straight or super frizzy, and when you're done, you go through with your scissors and you clip. Sometimes it leaves a lot of hair and a lot of mess on my client's clothing. Like right now, having a white t-shirt, if I was to go to a braid appointment and the stylist was to go crazy with the scissors, my shirt would be full of stuff. And leaving from the chair with a fresh hairstyle, I never want to have them leaving with their clothes dirty. Although I put a cape on them sometimes, I needed one of these. The box was damaged when I purchased it, which really sucks, but this is what it looks like. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and they're overpriced in the hair store, so I thought this was super cute. It has glitter in it, purple of course, a few specks of blue, some hot pink, and you know, barbers use it to brush their clients off. It's advertised as a barber brush, but we can use it too as stylists and braiders as well. This, I will say, is one of my favorite purchases of this whole haul because I've really been wanting one of these, and I finally have one. It's so cute. Not only are they gonna charge about $10 for this in the hair store, but you ain't gonna get nothing like this. Like the glitter, the sparkle, love that. Love that. My client's gonna feel, listen, a big nice brush. Next up, I got a comb, and it kind of resembled this. A lot of times when I buy an item, if I really like the item, I'm gonna scroll up to see what else that particular vendor sells. So I scrolled up, and that particular vendor that I got that brush from also sold the matching comb. It's like a wide tooth comb, and it has the same colored speckled glitter in it. Had to have this one to match. Come on now, it's a set. So cute. That same vendor also had a few other speckled items. This was sold different. It don't come with the set. It doesn't come with the set that I just showed y'all, but it still is the same concept. Just a hard brush, but it has glitter in it. I don't know if it's red or hot pink. Yo, it's hot pink. That'll be for a style like this, just an everyday style. Brushing my natural hair back. The way they're making the brushes now, it has a rat tail at the bottom. I thought that was really clever. So because I may give this away, I got myself a single brush like this. And also I got this pack from the same vendor. A edge brush pack. You get a traditional one where you have the brush on one end, the comb on the other end. And it has the hot pink glitter in it. It's just not as much. It's very faint. And then this one is side by side. Well, back to back. You have the brush and the comb back to back. And then this little piece right here, I don't know if it's used for anything, but you get these two in a pack. This next item, you guys, I was super excited to find on Shein because I brought one of these brushes some months back, took it on a trip and lost it. But this type of brush right here is perfect for bundles when I'm wearing like virgin hair and stuff like that. I don't normally use it to detangle my natural hair. The brush was like $8 or $9 in the hair store. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about and how it looks in the hair store, but it's on the pricey side for a brush, y'all. So I was not happy to have lost that brush and wasn't really trying to replace it. But when I was on Shein looking for these other tools, I came across one very similar. It's super small, kind of tiny compared to the one I used to have. But I'm not mad at that because I wear a lot of small bags. Y'all know my small novelty bags. I'm one of those girls who like a little purse. So this could fit in my purse. It's my favorite color. Purple with the glitter, and then you know it still does the same thing. It's just really small and compact. So I was happy to find one of these brushes because this one was only $1 or $2. It might have been $2 on Shein, but in comparison to what I spent on my other one in the hair store for it to do the same job, I was excited to have found this. So but I just wanted to share with you all some of the neat things that I found on Shein. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in seeing anything else that I purchased for my business, if you found this video to be fun or entertaining, whatever the case may be, and you want me to share things like this more often, please let me know down below so I can know this is what you guys like. Other than that, please enjoy shopping. Hit those links down below, y'all. I promise you, you're gonna love these items. It makes work much more fun. I'm always getting compliments on some of my tools that people have never seen before. So check out Shein for all of your beauty needs. I love you all and see you in the next video.